Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today's video is going to be a holiday video, but I went more with like a not traditional holiday look. Went for more of like a pink vibe. I do plan on filming a more like traditional holiday look later on in the month, but for now I feel like this is really pretty and I'll definitely be wearing this look a lot this month. Make sure you subscribe so you can see when that video goes up. So let's just jump on in. Alright, so I already did my brows and primed my lids, and I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm taking this kind of muted pink color and a fluffy brush and blending that into the crease pretty messily, and I'm also dragging it out towards the tail of my brow. I'm taking a more bright, kind of intense pink, and I'm blending that in the crease with a smaller brush and focusing it on like the actual crease, not up and fanned out like the first pink. Going with this liquid rose gold shadow, and I'm applying that all over the lid, kind of like a soft cut crease. I'm not being too precise, I'm just putting this down as the first kind of base of the shadows we're going to put on the lid. Going in with this deeper sparkly pink and applying that on the outer third of the lid, and I'm going to be applying a lighter pink on the inner thirds, kind of creating like an ombre effect. I'm taking those two same matte shades and I'm just making the outer corner a bit more intense. Moving on to the face, I'm just going to be priming, just taking this little blurring primer and applying that all over my face to smooth my skin before foundation. With foundation, I know it's a little hard to see, but it's just the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and I love this foundation. It gives the right amount of coverage without feeling heavy at all on my skin. It's super hydrating. I just started using this concealer and I absolutely love it. It covers my under eye circles without being too heavy and it doesn't cake up, so I would highly recommend this concealer. Before that gets a chance to crease, I'm just going to go ahead and set it with some loose powder. Back in with those two matte shades, I'm just kind of finishing up the eye look by applying those to my lower lash line and connecting them to the upper lid. Now taking that same shimmery shadow from before, I'm just applying this to my brow bone and inner corner to highlight. Now going in with some mascara. This mascara from IT Cosmetics is amazing. It makes my lashes super big and volumized. I really like it. I'm just going ahead and powdering the rest of my face with the same Maybelline powder as before. And then just going in with some bronzer and warming up my cheeks and forehead and a little bit on my nose. Not contouring really, I'm just kind of warming up my skin. And then going in with this kind of mauve-y blush. It looks a little bit intense on camera, but I promise it's just the lighting. It didn't look this like crazy in person. In that same eyeshadow, I'm actually going to highlight my face. This looks so pretty on the face as well as the eyes. And now my camera decided to stop focusing on anything close up, so sorry about that. But I'm just throwing a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my face and finish off with the lips. So I'm just lining my lips first, and then I'm just going to fill it in with a liquid lipstick. And that just finishes up the look. you guys enjoyed this video, so go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below if you have any requests. Follow my social medias, they'll be on the screen, a link down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!